Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting Zoom ready and joining the class link right away. Install or update the Zoom app, then sign in with your school account or use the meeting ID. Once done, open settings and test microphone, speakers, and camera so the instructor can hear and see you. Make sure you grant camera and mic permissions to your browser or app. This avoids last-minute prompts. Join the meeting a few minutes early to resolve any issues before class starts. Now focus on controls and classroom etiquette so the session runs smoothly. In audio settings, choose the correct microphone and speakers, and use test speaker/microphone if unsure. Switch views. Choose gallery to see classmates or speaker to follow the main speaker, pin or spotlight the instructor when needed. Use the mute button when others talk to reduce background noise, and toggle your camera based on class policy. Also learn chat, raise hand, and share screen permissions to participate effectively. Finish by sharing content correctly and handling problems so class stays on track. When you share screen, select the specific window or screen and enable Optimize for video or computer sound if you'll play audio. Stop sharing when finished. Record only with permission and choose local or cloud storage based on school rules. If audio, video, or connection fail, restart the Zoom app, try a different USB mic/camera, or join via the browser as a quick workaround. These steps usually restore functionality fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.